Welcome to my YouTube channel, Glen J. Please check also my other videos. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next upload. Today we will be cooking the indigenous vegetable fern salad. It is commonly called pako in the Philippines. According to researchers, this fern is very nutritious. It loaded with calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin B and vitamin A. Remove the edible leaves from the stalk and wash thoroughly. Let's start. Fry some anchovies until crispy. We will use this as a topping later to add flavor to the salad. When done, set aside. Next, we will boil some water. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Bring to boil. While boiling, add the fern and blanch for 3 to 4 minutes. Alternatively, you may blanch using a steamer or in a microwave. Whichever blanching method you use. Take care not to overcook the fern. When done, strain and allow to cool in a bowl. Once cool, we will add the ingredients. Let's add 1 teaspoon olive oil. Salt to taste. Red and white onions. I added white onions because it adds a certain sweetness and crunchy texture. Let's add cherry tomatoes. Mix well until the ingredients are combined. When done, transfer to a serving dish and add the anchovies you fry earlier. To finish it all off, top with slices of salted egg. This dish makes an excellent companion to your favorite grilled fish. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please check also my other videos. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next upload.